Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Monday.com for your 2025 annual planning. Our first step is to create a new board. This will be our main planning hub where we'll organize and track all our annual goals. This step is crucial because it gives us a central location to manage our plan. Now that we've done that, let's move on to step 2. Here, we'll add groups for each quarter of the year. This helps us because it allows us to break down our annual plan into manageable, bite-sized pieces. Remember, a year is a long time, and it's easier to track progress quarterly. Next up, we're adding items or tasks under each group. The reason we do this is to further break down our quarterly goals into specific, actionable tasks. Each item could be a project or a goal you hope to achieve in that quarter. The fourth step is to assign each task to a team member and set a deadline. This is where Monday.com really shines. It allows us to see who is doing what and by when, promoting accountability and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now let's add status columns to track progress. This helps us because it gives us a visual representation of how we're progressing towards our goals. You can customize these statuses to fit your organization's needs. Finally, we'll be using the timeline or Gantt view to visualize our entire year at a glance. This is an excellent way to ensure that our planning is realistic and balanced throughout the year. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to using Monday.com for your 2025 annual planning. Remember, the key is to break down your goals into manageable tasks and track progress regularly. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.